everybody.
Hello, everybody. Hey,
Today we're gonna be
hello,
a
everybody.
Gorilla Tag talent show with our wonderful guests. Oh,
Yes,
first
you are.
up will be. Let me go check.
I'll go first.
First up is going to
Who
be
wants to go first?
Kixel. Kixel's up first.
Pixels.
Yeah, they're at the top of the leaderboard. So okay, so you can do your talent.
I'm lucky scared. Ready?
Okay, just go when you're ready.
3. Okay, my talent is I'm going to be singing Lose Yourself by Eminem. Not the full song, by the way.
Okay, that's fair.
Hey.
Knees weak, arms are sweaty. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti. He's nervous, but he looks calm and ready. What he wrote down, the whole crowd goes so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's joking everything. Wait, dang it, you lost me off. Got me off track. Knees weak, arms are sweaty. There's vomit on his sweater already. He's nervous, but he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's joking how everybody's joking now. Clocks are not time goes over. Snap back to reality. Up to goes gravity. Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
Lucio, do you want to go have a talk?
probably not good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Okay.
Over here, Luce.
That was not good. I hope you're doing.
Okay.
That was pretty.
Yes, that was pretty good. I know the song by heart. There was a
was
couple
still
fumbles, but I still think it was pretty good. Good chords to sing. So they were nervous, so I'm not surprised at the mess ups. But so I think I should give them like a 6, maybe 7.
Guys, can I help? Can I help
No.
with the school?
No, get out of here.
Guys,
I'm not giving you special treatment.
why are you giving him special treatment?
Because we're doing a collab.
Wait, hold up. I have a question.
No. Okay, so you got that? Like a.
Are you
Yeah.
gonna choose?
We're deciding.
This much. This
Go.
much. This much.
I thought you were
Beyonce,
cousins.
baby,
That's yours.
You meanie.
Okay.
Come and chat.
So, Kixel, hello. We've decided our rating. We are going to give you a 6 out of 10.
I called it. I called it. I said that.
Oh,
He
yeah.
did.
Okay. Yeah, because he heard us. First of all. Okay, next, Short, you'll be Short. What is your talent? Short. What is your
I
talent?
actually called that. There's no way I called that.
You have a
I'm
mic?
singing.
Yeah,
Are you gonna sing? Okay, go up here.
I have a weapon.
Everybody's telling us something.
I know, but it's most common talent says.
Yeah.
Just go when you're ready. What song will you be
It might
singing?
be weird, but it's gonna be from like what Elliot song.
Okay.
Until the day bleeds, until the night falls, until you're not here to get me through it all. I was getting kinda used to beat the more you laugh.
Okay, Lucio, meet with me backstage.
Hey.
Good job. You did good. You did good.
I don't know about that one.
Yeah, most average song known to man for Girl Tag talent shows. So, I fully agree. I just let you what I was about to say.
I'm broke.
Okay.
I'm broke. I'm broke.
Okay, so we've decided your rating. Lucio, you may say it.
Bro, I'm broke. I only have 180. No, I got 1,870 left. I'm broke.
4 out of 10. Cause yeah.
All day.
Oh, I think he's
bro.
mad.
I'm
Okay.
broke.
Next up is going to be,
Calling stuff.
and he's reporting the whole lobby now. That's amazing.
What?
How dare you? Bro.
Who's next? Okay. If you're Santa Claus, you're up next. Santa Claus.
Yay!
Okay, Santa Claus. What will your talent be?
Swear if it's thinking you're giving.
Being broke. I only got 108.
That is not a talent. An actual talent.
Yeah, that's not a talent, but
I'm
more of
joking.
like a skill issue.
I'm joking. Stop shooting me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Boo.
My talent is threatening. If you don't stop shooting me, you'll be 20 feet under the ground. I swear.
Your talent's threatening.
I got this
I
right
thought
here.
it was 6 feet under.
What?
Sorry. Come here. Turn around. Turn around. Do it again. I say turn around.
Okay, I think we've decided his rating.
Whoa.
Lucio, get over here. For for threatening the judges, I think he should get a...
Hey, Santa.
1.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Santa, we've decided you're waiting. Since you threatened the judges, Cancel, you are now getting a 1. You're getting a 1 for threatening the judges. No! Okay, Dr. Banjo, you're up next.
Me?
Hey, Dr. Banjo, yeah, you. You.
You're not.
Okay, what's your talent?
No, I meant
My talent.
No. Yo, bro, I meant threatening in general. Like, not just the judges.
Can you be quiet?
Thank you.
Okay,
He's saying my
My
words.
talent is funny running.
Okay, Lucio, let's go talk. Let's go talk. Bum, bow, now.
My.
I didn't have any
Nah. Just this. Let's be a bit nice. Let's be a bit nice.
Even mine was better.
Let's be a bit nice. Okay, Dr. Banjo, we've decided your score. You're getting a 1.
No, mine was better than that.
Nah, it wasn't, bro. You should have gone a 0, but we ain't doing zeros. Okay, Hannah,
Yeah, I guess what
you're up next.
Anna, you're up.
Hannah, okay. What is your talent? Oh, you can't speak. That might be a problem. Okay,
Being
your
silent.
talent is at spontaneously combusting. That's honestly fire.
No, it's
Lucio, get
He
over
tried
here.
to kill me earlier.
Lucio, get over here.
I
Lucio,
think he's on
Lucio.
the verge of being.
Get over here. I think that's an 8 out of 10. Actually, 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10.
I recommend sleeping
Spontaneously
with one
combusting is
eye open.
awesome. Okay, let's
I
go.
recommend sleeping with one eye open. I
You
know
have
where
to.
live.
I know where you live. Jinx! Okay, Lucio. Hannah, your rating is a 5. Teehee.
How did he get a 5 for literally doing
That
nothing?
was so. It was so great, bro.
That was so funny, bro. Okay, Spider-Man.
What do you mean? He didn't
Spider-Man. Now we got some famous people in this club. We got Santa Claus and Spider-Man. Kind of fire. Okay, Spider-Man. What is your talent? Disconnecting. Fire talent. I think that gets a 3 out of 10. Okay, Chubby.
I have a different talent.
Chubby, what is your talent?
I have a different talent.
I don't care. You already went.
No, you
Chubby,
do care.
what is your talent?
That nice.
Well, flip.
Because
Do you
of
have
that,
one?
You get this.
You have one? Thank you.
Yo, guys, look, he gave me.
Okay,
he gave me
nothing.
one score. I'm
Doing
giving
nothing
you-
is
I'm
honestly
getting you
kind of
back on
relaxing,
board.
so I'm gonna give that a 2 out of 10 for not wasting our time.
Wait, does that mean I win? He gets a 2 out of 10.
Yeah, you do.
But I get a 1 out of 10 for actually doing something.
Wait.
Man,
Wait, you never went. You two never went.
Lucio, do you want to go first? You want to go
Wait,
first?
Okay, yeah.
I have a different
Okay.
talent that I can show y'all.
We
That's
don't
bad.
care.
No!
He has a
The
talent.
judges are
We don't
going.
care. Leave. You need to leave.
So my talent is being a YouTuber.
Fire! I'm gonna give that a negative 8 out of 10. We weren't even doing negatives, but now we are.
Yeah, y'all.
-1.
I'm joking. I'm giving that a 4 out of 10. That's a 4 out of 10.
Oh my god.
-1. It's your turn. I'm reading yours.
No, Lucio has to wait me. Lucio, you got a 4 out of 10 because you kind of nothing.
I'm your family.
I don't care if you're my family. I know you are.
Going next.
What's your talent?
As previously stated, I'm not doing special treatment.
What's your talent?
My talent is going to flipping target.
Wait, hold on. His talent is being ugly.
That's reasonable.
No, 10 out of 10 talent. Being ugly. He didn't make it.
Yeah, I did.
My talent's under Dollar Tree.
I've totally made that.
He's being good at it.
Yep, I made target.
And it's so cheap.
I definitely made target. Okay,
No,
Bo.
you're right here.
Lucio, what is my rating?
-6.
You're not waiting. Lucio, what's my rating?
A 3 out of 10.
Thank you. Okay, Snowky. Snowky, it's your turn. Snowky, it's your turn for the talent show.
Can you like wait for me, please?
Oh no, it's Choppy. Okay. We have concluded the winner of the talent show is Kixel.
Yeah, baby.
And you wanna know what you get when you win? The prize for winning is you get 360 no scope.
Wait, what?
Oh.
Wait, can I try again?
How is that?
No.
No, yes.
I love how no one got above a 6. These talents are amazing. No one got above a 6.
Can I tell you?
Goodbye.
Can I tell you?